This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying core assets so movement has something to run on. Inspect the character. Make sure humanoid root part exists and is named exactly. The humanoid has an animator and default movement parameters. Once done, open server script service and starter player scripts to find any custom movement overrides. If you see multiple walk speed assignments, consolidate them. Make sure walk speed and jump power are set to intended numeric values, because conflicting scripts are the most common reason movement feels wrong. Now you isolate the problem by testing scripts directly. Disable third-party movement modules or custom controllers so only core Roblox movement runs. Then add print statements or use the output to trace when walk speed, jump power, and humanoid states change. This shows which script is altering behavior. Once done, run play solo and play server to compare client versus server effects, because replication bugs often cause desinced movement. Make sure to re-enable one script at a time to identify the offender. Finish by applying the fix and verifying it across contexts. Consolidate walk speed logic into one authoritative script. Prefer server-side control with remote events for safe client requests. Once done, adjust interpolation or network settings if movement still feels jittery, and implement smoothing on the client. Make sure to test on different devices and networks. Troubleshooting tip: if issues persist, check for high ping or extreme frame drops. Poor FPS or latency often mimics broken movement, so log and reproduce under those conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.